कभी कभी एक लड़के को आप बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आ जाती हैं, इतना कि he finds you really attractive and starts thinking, oh my god, she's really out of my league. So क्या होता है ना ऐसे में, even though he does like you, but he doesn't want to come off as too strong. So he tries to hide his feelings and tries to play it absolutely cool. लेकिन क्या करे जब हमें समझना हो कि वाकई में कोई हमें पसंद करता है. It's very difficult to know that whether they do like you or they are just being really friendly. So today we are going to decode some signs that a man finds you highly attractive and thinks that you are out of his league. Number 1, he goes out of his way to help you. First things first, boss, let's kickstart this. अगर कोई लड़का आपको बहुत ही प्यार से मदद ऑफर कर रहा है and he's also going out of his way just to help you, then that means that person really likes you. क्योंकि कोई भी किसी की मदद आज के ज़माने में तो बिल्कुल नहीं करेगा, और किसी के लिए बिल्कुल out of the way जाना just so that you can, you know, be there for them, that hints at some emotional chemistry. Like they are really fond of you and they want to be there by your side and they want to make your life easier like an angel. So yeah, this could be a sign that they really like you. Number 2, he remembers little things. रिसर्च का मानना है अगर कोई इंसान आपके बारे में माइन्यूट से माइन्यूट डिटेल भी पता लगा रहा है, उसे पता है कि आपको क्या पसंद है और क्या नापसंद. इनफैक्ट आपके खाने से लेकर आपकी ड्रेसिंग सेंस तक उसको सब कुछ पता है, then that could be a major reason that they are attracted to you. Why I'm saying this is, what reason do they have anyway to know about your littlest of things? It makes no sense honestly. But let me tell you, अगर वो आपकी सारी बातों का ध्यान रखते हैं, अगर उन्हें याद है कि आपकी 4 कोर्स दूर रहने वाली बुआ का नाम क्या है, then let's be real, भाई वो लड़का आपको बहुत ज्यादा पसंद करता है. Number 3, he stands up for you. Now this is तो is very common. कोई इंसान अगर आपको बहुत ज्यादा पसंद करता है तो वो डेफिनेटली आपका स्टैंड लेगा. अगर उसे दिख रहा है कि आपके साथ गलत हो रहा है या फिर आप किसी ऐसी चीज का पार्ट बन गए हैं जो कि is not like you at all, then they will definitely take a stand for you because they know you, they have spent that time with you, so they will always be there, protecting you, keeping you away from all that harm. So if they are doing that, then that means they are highly attracted to you, but they also find that you are out of their league. 4, he mirrors your body language. आपको बता दूं 55% कम्युनिकेशन हमारे मुंह से नहीं बल्कि हमारी बॉडी लैंग्वेज से होता है. हम किस तरीके से बैठते हैं, किस तरीके से देखते हैं, किस तरीके से खाते हैं, everything. So if a man is mirroring what you do, for instance, if they know that you put your hair behind your ears and they are also doing the same, like they're playing with their hair somehow when you are doing that, that means they are trying to mirror your body language and they haven't even realized it yet. If that is happening, then that man is majorly interested in you and वो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करता है. 5th, you notice him looking at you, and I'm not saying कि अगर आप एक ही रास्ते से जा रहे थे और एकदम से वो सामने से आए और नजर पड़ गई, हाय हेलो हुआ, हो गया खत्म भाई चलो आगे. No, I'm actually saying that you have seen them notice you quite often when you're doing something and you just turn up and look up at them and you are like, अरे ये भी मुझे देख रहा है. Like I was not expecting that, but he's looking at me. And you're doing some sort of chore, but you keep looking at him at the back of your eye. आपको पता लग रहा है कि कोई आपको देख रहा है और वो वही इंसान है. अगर ऐसा बार बार हो रहा है, like you're getting these instances repeated too often, then that means that person really adores you and they want to keep looking at you, as long as it's not too creepy, of course. And they really like you. They don't know how to express it. They really want to talk to you, but then they hold themselves back and they just stick to staring. Number 6, he gets a little jealous. Now you told him about some guy or maybe your guy friend and he gets absolutely jealous. उसकी पूरी body language में पता लग रहा है, उसका face जो है उतर चुका है, वो मे बी sad हो चुका है और मे बी he's too angry, या फिर हो सकता है कि उसके स्पीकिंग से आपको पता लग जाए, वो कुछ ऐसी बातें बोलेगा जो आपको पता लग जाएगा is hinting at his jealousy. Like he'll be like, who is this guy, what does he do, is he better than me, stuff like that. वो पता लग जाता है. You girls are very smart at that. So these were some signs that can help you decode that a guy finds you highly attractive, but he thinks that you are out of his league. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Love9.